you're feeling a little nervous or uncertain about starting therapy, here's probably why you might be feeling that way. So, number one, probably most obvious, is the stigma, right? That mental health is already so misunderstood and stigmatized in South Asian communities that it can be really hard to put yourself out there already. And you might have grown up with the thought that therapy is for people who have really serious problems, or like crazy people, which is just not true. Number two, the fear of feeling like you're disloyal to your family, right? So, like talking about family conflict so openly with a stranger essentially can be considered betrayal because we are taught to keep the family image, right? Many South Asian women are raised to protect the family image or keep the peace and harmony. The idea of discussing family conflict or family matters with a therapist can feel like you're betraying your family, and it can also bring in a lot of guilt or anxiety. There's also the possibility of the fear or concern that there is going to be a cultural disconnect with your therapist. And then if you've had past experiences with therapists who just didn't get it, that can also add to the hesitation of starting again. We've also got internalized people pleasing. So it's possible that you struggle with people pleasing and that you're worried about setting boundaries or expressing your feelings. You might be worried about being viewed as like the bad daughter or the bad daughter-in-law. You may also be experiencing some fear around what you think you might uncover or the possibilities of what you might uncover in therapy. And that is so valid. Therapy can bring up a lot of things that feel overwhelming or uncomfortable, especially if you've been keeping it in for a really long time. And that's normal. Facing these things can feel really daunting when we've been sweeping these things under the rug for so long or just suppressing the emotions. You might also be experiencing some like unfamiliarity with the process of therapy. Maybe you're the first one in your family or your circle of friends to try therapy and you don't really know what to expect. That makes sense. You can find out.